In this video, I'll be talking about the font size property. Font size, as the name implies, you specify the size of the text you're writing. You can either do this in pixels, EM, or percentages. We generally use percentages, and let me just write a quick example for you. Let me show you how this looks in the browser. See, this is how our code will look in the browser. Anyways, this about wraps up this section. Thanks for tuning in. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know, and I'll see you next time.